Good morning, student. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So, student, today we are going to learn practice set 16. Before doing this practice set 16, we will learn complementary angle and some examples. Okay, so here is the definition of complementary angle. If the sum of two measures of two angles, if the sum of the measure of two angles is 90°, they are known as complementary angle. Okay, so you can see here a figure. So here is two angles. First one is P, Q and R. P, Q and R. And second one क्या है? S, Q and R. S, Q and R. And if the sum of the measure of two angle is 90 degrees, sum. Okay, so we will write here sum. Sum. Okay, sum of the two angle is 90 degree. Okay, they are known as complementary angle. So they are known as complementary angle. And PQR is, PQR कौन सा एंगल है? PQR is right angle. Why it is right angle? Because it is 90° angle. It is 90° angle, and 90° angle always be right angle. Okay. So here are some example. Is page number 26. Page number 26. Okay. Here are some examples. Okay. So here is the first example. Observe the angles in figure and enter the proper number in the box. Okay. So observe the angles. So this is ए बी एंड सी. एंगल ए बी एंड सी कौन सा कितना डिग्री का एंगल है? 40 डिग्री का. तो वी विल राइट हियर 40 डिग्री एंगल. एंड पी क्यू एंड आर, पी क्यू आर जो है 50 डिग्री एंगल्स है. एंड एंगल ए बी एंड सी प्लस पी क्यू आर क्या हो जाएगा? 40 प्लस 50 इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. So we will write here 90° angle. Okay, so this is the example number first. And example number second है, second number example. So second example है, find the measure of the complement of an angle of measure of 70°. Okay, so here we will write let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Okay, so हमने इसको क्या मान लिया? x. Okay, complementary angle is x. Okay, so we will write here 70 plus x equal to 90 degree, because complementary angle दो एंगल्स का सम होता है 90 डिग्री. ओके, सो वी विल राइट हियर 90 डिग्री. ओके, so 70 degree plus x equal to 90 degree. So here we will find x. Okay, so x equal to 90 minus 70 degree. Okay, why 70 minus 70? 70 is यहाँ पर plus 70 है. So इसको हम अपोजिट साइड लेकर आएंगे, तो ये वी विल राइट हियर माइनस साइन. ओके, सो x क्या हो जाएगा? x होगा 0 and 2. ओके, 20 डिग्री. ओके, सो x इक्वल टू आ गया हमारा 20 डिग्री. तो वी विल राइट हियर द measure of the complementary of an angle of measure 70 degree is क्या हो जाएगा? 70 degree is 20 degree. Okay, so this is example number first. Okay, so it is very important example. Okay, now second example is So you can see here angle of measure A plus 15 degree to a degree are complementary. So what the measure of each angle? So we will do this example. So let's start. So angle of measure क्या है? A plus 15 degree is A plus 15 degree and 2A. Okay, 2A equal to क्या हो जाएगा? 90 degree. Okay, so now we will write A plus 15. ब्रैकेट हटाएंगे हम. A plus 15 plus 2A. Okay, so A and 2A क्या हो जाएगा? 3A plus 15 equal to 90 degree. Now we will write here 3A and 90 degree. 15 opposite side, so minus 15. Now 90 minus 15, 10 minus 5 and 8 minus 1, 75. Okay, so 3A equal to 75. Now here we will write A and 75 by 3. Okay, now we will cut 75 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 1, 3 5s are 15 to 25 equal to 25. Okay, so अभी हमको फाइंड करना है क्या? A plus 15 इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? A क्या आया है? 25 plus 15. So we will write here 25 or 15. 5 5 10, 2 1 3 1 4 40 and तो ये हमारा एक हो जाएगा 40 डिग्री. एक एंगल आया, we get angle 1 is 40 degree and 2A we will write here 2A. So 2 and A तो into 25 we will write here 25. Okay, A का जो हमारा एक A आया है हम वहाँ पर 25 लिखेंगे. Okay, now we will multiply 2 multiply 25. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. So here is 50. Okay, so our answer is 40 degree and 50 degree. Okay, clear? This is the example number 2. Now we will do our practice set 16, which all are depend on this example. Okay, so question number 1, you can see here. Question number 1, the measure of some angles are given below. Write the measure of their complementary angle. So first है 40 degree angle. So here is 40 degree angle, and now let's do this question. So we will write here, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. So we will write here 40 plus x equal to 90 degree. Okay, now x equal to 90 minus 40. Now we will write here 0 and 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, so here we will find x equal to 50 degree. Now second 63 degree. So so we will find x equal to 50 degree. So here we will write our answer. The complementary angle, okay, the complementary angle of 40 degree is 50. Okay, we will write the complementary angle of 40 degree is 50. 40 degree का आया है 50. Okay, now second है 63 degree. So we will write here, let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Okay, so we will write here 63 degree plus x as it is. Okay, as it is we will write. Okay, equal to 90 degree and x यहाँ रहेगा and 90 minus 63. Okay, so 90 minus 63, so 10 minus 3 7 and 8 minus 6 is 2, 27. Okay, 27 degree. So we will write here the complementary angle of 63 degree is 27 degree. Okay, 27 degree. This is question number first का second number. Okay, now your homework is third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Your homework, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh is your homework. Okay, now we will do question number 2. Question number 2 is y minus, question number 2 है y minus 20 degree, y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measure of complementary angle. Find the measure of each angle. So we have to find measure of each angles. Okay, so let's start. Y minus, first we will write here y minus 20 plus y plus 30 degree, okay, equal to 90 degree. Okay, now we will write here y and y, ब्रैकेट हटाएंगे हम, y and y 2y. Okay, we will write here 2y plus minus 20 and plus 30 क्या हो जाएगा 10. Okay, plus 10 equal to 90 degree. Now 2y हम यहाँ रखेंगे and we will write here 90 minus 10. Now we get 80. 2y, तो y equal to 80 by 2. So हम इसको डिवाइड करते हैं. 2 2 4 8, 2 5 10. So we get y 40. 2 4 8 and 0. Okay, so we get 40. Y equal to 40 degree. Okay, now we will put y is this equation. Y minus 20 में हम y को पुट करेंगे. तो we will write y क्या आया हमारा 40 minus 20. Okay, so 40 minus 20. So हमको एक एंगल मिला हमारा 20 डिग्री एंड सेकेंड एंगल we will find So we will write by y plus 30. Okay, so 0, 0 and 4 or 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 70 degree. Okay, so we will write here our answer. Our answer is the measure of each angle. Measure of each angle is 20 degree and 70 degree respectively. Okay, so this is our answer. So student, in our next video we will learn practice set 17. Thank you.